Hi guys, this is Deepak from Salesforce Wiki, and today we are gonna learn about what is development mode in Visualforce pages. So guys, basically development mode in Visualforce does two things for us. It has two advantages. First, it allows us to create Visualforce pages from the browser URL only, and second, it enables us to create and develop Visualforce pages in view state. Like it provides us one more UI where we can see the code editor panel, where we can edit our Visualforce page code and see the preview over there only. Okay, so guys, let me first show you how can we enable the developer mode in Visualforce. Okay, so first we have to go to this second setting icon on this Salesforce org. Here we have to click on setting. Okay, then we have to go to advanced user details. Okay, and here we can see there is one option for development mode, as you can see. Okay, so what we have to do, basically we have to edit and enable it. Okay guys, so before enabling it, I want to show you how Visualforce setup looks like if I don't enable it. Okay, so guys, first of all, what I will do, I will switch to classic experience. Okay, so guys, as we can see here, we have switched to classic experience, and here what if I want to create one Visualforce page directly from URL. Okay, so now if I click on OK, enter, then it will show me one error. Okay, so after enabling the development mode, here we will get one more link to create the Visualforce from here directly. Okay, and the second thing I want to show you guys is, like, again I have to switch to lightning experience for that. Okay, and here if I navigate to any Visualforce page, okay, so I'm going to go to setup, and from here I will open any Visualforce page. So here guys, if I view any Visualforce page, so as you can see here, this Visualforce page is getting previewed, but we don't have any option to view its code. Okay, so after enabling development mode, we will get one code editor here through which we can edit the code on the fly. Okay, so guys, what without wasting time, what I will do, I will enable the development mode and show you how the things work differently. Okay, so as I told you, we have to enable this development mode from this checkbox. Okay, so now I have enabled it and I'll save the changes. Okay, so guys, now if I refresh this page and view the Visualforce page, preview the Visualforce page, then I will get that code editor option in the page. Okay, so guys, as you can see, this page is getting previewed, and here in the down we are getting one option. So as soon as I click on this, I will get the code of the Visualforce and I can make the changes and view the page. Okay, like here I am updating the number of columns. Okay, as soon as I click on save the code, then the changes will be made on the fly. Okay guys, and the second thing which I wanted to show you, like, now if I create one Visualforce page from the URL, then we will get the error along with the one link to create the Visualforce page. Okay, so guys, see, we are getting the same error, but here we are getting one more link to create the Visualforce page, and as soon as I click on that link, one Visualforce page will be created for us. Okay guys, and the last thing, okay, if I refresh, see, I have created that Visualforce page. It will be displayed under the Visualforce pages section. Okay, and as we have checked the Visualforce page. So guys, thank you. This was it for the development mode, and please like, subscribe and share the video. We will see you in the next lecture. Okay.